In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create aesthetic templates to sell in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an experienced designer or a complete beginner, you'll find this process easy and straightforward. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a stunning template ready to share with the world. First, let's start by opening your connected workspace in Notion. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, projects, and documents. It's incredibly versatile and makes template creation a breeze. Head over to the Notion website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up, but for this exercise, we are assuming you're already set up. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Notion homepage. This is your base where you can see all your current pages and projects. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this interface if you haven't done so already, as it will be integral to navigating through the creation process. Now, click on Pages in the sidebar. This will allow you to see a list of active pages within your workspace. After that, type in Gallery in the search bar. This is a handy shortcut that brings up the option for creating a gallery view. The gallery view is excellent for showcasing templates. You'll find your designs look visually pleasing and are easy to navigate for potential buyers. When the gallery option appears, click on the gallery view. This action will set up your page to utilize the gallery format, displaying your templates in an attractive grid layout. It's an important step to ensure your templates are presented in a way that highlights their aesthetic appeal. Remember, presentation is key when it comes to selling your work effectively. With the gallery view set, the next step is to click on Build with AI. This is where the magic happens. Notion's AI feature can help streamline the design process, offering suggestions and adjustments that enhance the appeal of your template. Take some time to experiment with the AI tools provided. They can refine your design and add a professional touch to your work, and there you have it. A simple and efficient way to create aesthetic templates using Notion. With practice, you can tweak and customize your designs further, making unique templates that truly represent your style. Remember to save your work regularly and experiment with different layouts and elements until you're satisfied. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and sell your beautifully crafted templates. They're perfect for download on platforms like Etsy or directly through your website. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!